So we have 60-something thousand. So that is the message. And for them that thinks that maybe it's because of presidential election, my message is this: prepare yourself, because labor is not tying their hands. We have to improve what is happening in Buhari Area Council today.
About Labour Party. Labour Party is like water. Water. Whoever you are on this earth, you must use water to drink, to bath, to cook. You can never do without water. That is what I see Labour Party to be. Everybody here might not be member of Labour Party, but they are lovers of Labour Party. They may not be card-carrying member of Labour Party, but they are lovers of Labour Party, and they love to support Labour Party financially, either by votes or by defending the votes, anyhow. And that is why you are seeing this crowd here.
About the crisis in the national headquarters of the Labour Party, don't you think it will affect your chances in the next election?
Thank you very much. Crisis in politics is normal. Propaganda in politics is normal. I expect it to happen because I know that nothing good comes easy. You know, if you are a beautiful lady, people will come to prize you. Baby, how are you? Baby, I love you. Baby, I want to marry you. People want to be identified with Labour Party. And that is what I see that is happening in the national. But I believe that any propaganda, any attack on Labour Party at the national is already dead on arrival, because the National Labour Party can never succeed without envy. And what is happening there is as a result of envy. And we are not afraid, we are not bothered, but we ask everyone to submit and sheath their sword and join hands together with the National Labour Party to be able to make us succeed in the next coming area council chairmanship election.
How will you describe the structure at the suburbs for Labour Party?
Well, thank you very much. The structure of Labour Party is like, when the Labour Party come to be, we beg people from house to house to come and join Labour Party. So the structure of Labour Party that you see, they are the people that are available at the beginning of the race. They are the people that are available, because Labour Party is nowhere to be found before now. Labour Party is not known anywhere. And if I meet you, because it's not PDP, it's not APC, you will feel that there is no money. And you will not like to join me. So, there is no money at the beginning because you have nobody in the government. We do it personally, individually, collectively, and sacrificially. And it's the people who want to live a life of sacrifice you are seeing in Labour Party today.
How would you describe what is happening here today?
This is Labour Party for you. No one here was paid a dime to be in this town hall. Yes. Men and women that you see here today came on their own. Yes, and they are here as Labour Party members. That is the difference between us and other political parties. For them to do this, they will have to hire people to come. Everybody that comes here come on their own. That's the difference. So this is Labour for you. And that will tell you that Labour has come to stay as far as FCT is concerned.
So why is the senator representing the FCT is not here? He's a Labour Party member.
The senator that you are not seeing today is because she is not feeling okay, and she has sent in message, and I'm here to stand on her behalf. If you have seen me, you have seen the senator. So Labour is one, Labour is not divided, and the Labour has come to move FCT forward.
Okay, at the national level, the crisis there, don't you think it will affect your chances in the next elections?
There is no crisis in Labour Party. No crisis in Labour Party. A convention was held, and the new leadership has emerged under the able leadership of our chairman, Barrister Julius Abure, and has been recognized by INEC,
Yes, sir.
and even the party leader himself. So I can tell you that we don't have anything like division among us. But if you want me to add something to it, I can tell you that little issues that came up in the past, if there is nothing like that, it means that Labour is not progressing. That means there is nothing to struggle for Labour. Before, nobody struggles to be Labour chairman or anything, but I can tell you that even the chairman of ward now, for you to be it, is a lot of struggle. That shows that Labour is growing and rapidly. So it's a good thing. And that is not uncommon to other political parties in Nigeria. Or am I lying?
No.
So for the chairmanship elections that is coming up next year, what is the grassroots plan?
Well, from what you are seeing here today, you will know that we are ready. We are the one begging for election. Some people are looking for extension. We don't want extension. You don't allot power. You don't allot a time frame for the people. It's not on INEC to do such also. This election was conducted with the 2010 Electoral Act. And that stipulates that the election of the chairman of the council and their councillors will be only for, the time frame will be only for 3 years. And the expiration of that time is next year. So they should get ready because Labour is eager to take over. That is the message.
Victory. It's a sign of restoration. It's a sign of destiny fulfillment in a part of the Labour Party. That shows we have taken over all the 6 area councils. Not only Buhari area council. What is happening here is happening in Amak, it's happening in Buhari, it's happening in Kuje, it's happening in Abaj. And it's happening everywhere. With what we are seeing today, with a very qualified and able House of Reps member who has been going from chapter to chapter, from ward to ward, from area council to area council. Victory is assured. May God bless you.
When it comes to supporting women and involving women, how would you say Labour Party is treating that issue?
No, we are gender sensitive. Our own is to ask our women to come out. We will support them. We have a program and a tournament for them in all we do. They are involved. We don't leave them behind.
Chairman, when you look around, you discover that the indigenous people of the FCT are not much in this place. Are you concerned about that?
No, they are. They are. When you saw one of the indigenous aspirants stood up, the hall was overwhelmed. That shows a response that their people are here.
Okay, I mean the traditional ruler, the way we used to see them before now, they are not...
No, the traditional rulers are not meant for town hall meeting. The traditional rulers are held for PDP, Labour Party, FC and other political parties. They are not only for Labour Party. The ones you see here are their representatives, and that's what's supposed to be.
So what is the remark from them so far from your assessment?
That shows that the Labour Party is... In fact, the man you are seeing here, Honorable Chinedu Obika, is Dr. Oti of FCT.
Yes, so.
Talk and do. We have our templates. That's why wherever we put our seeds, it germinates. It is from God, not from man. And the time is now.
But we don't even have the money to hire. People hire themselves and come because of the interest they have for the party. Don't worry. When the time comes, you will know whether it is hired or not. Let's go for the voting. That is why they are looking for extension. We are looking for election.